Hi friends, today I will show you this type of videos which are very popular nowadays on YouTube. The people are getting millions and millions views. They are transforming these fruits or vegetables or something else like this. Look at these videos. This is just the first one. So I will show you how we can build this type of videos for free. Okay, just stay until the end of video so you will learn how you can build these videos. Let's check another one. So it will transform now this a room to a house like this. Look at just this. It is cleaning and making this watermelon. So I will show you the channels also. Look at, so these channels are very popular nowadays. So Urban Home, Revolution, and also Dreams Rebuilt. That is the ways they are getting millions and millions of views. So let's to start and build this type of videos. This is very easy. I will just share two prompts with you. Using those two prompts you will be able to generate this type of videos. So let's start. So first of all we will open ChatGPT. After opening the ChatGPT, now we will paste here our first prompt. So you have linked to these prompts in the description. So let's copy our first prompt. Copy until the end. Copy this and come here back to the ChatGPT and paste it here. So it will just give us a few ideas, the viral ideas nowadays, the trending topics. So just 10 topics has been given to us. Now let's copy the second prompt. Copy this and come here and paste it here. What we need to do, we will just change the topic. Okay, just come here up. Yeah, here into the topic, video concept, the title, we will just whatever you want. So you can just create like that. For example, I turned a giant watermelon into a secret bunker. Like this, copy this and paste it here. After pasting that, press back this icon. So it will now provide you the prompts for images and for videos. Scene 1, image prompt and video prompt. Scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8, scene 9. So this will be a 1 minute video. Yeah, final. Will be a 1 minute video. So let's now start to build this. Come here to the first scene and let's open Google Flow. So simply here we will search Google Flow. So open this flow, the first website, labs.google flow. Create with flow. So first of all, we will create our image. So look at here, we can select image and video. So we will select first of all the image and let's paste our first prompt, image prompt. Copy this and paste it here and generate our first image. So let's now convert this to a video. It means to make a video for that, first of all, we will come here instead of selecting image. So we will select video here. After selecting video, just adjust the setting. We want 1:69 ratio and frame because we want to upload the frame, the first image. So to upload the first image, come here and click on the start. So here we have two options. Right now we have generated two images. We have both of them here. If you want to select one of them, you can select. If you want to upload another one from your PC, select here so you can upload an image. but we already have these images because we want to change these images to video. So I will select this second option. So after selecting that, now down here I will write the video prompt. So to write the video prompt, come here to the ChatGPT. This is video prompt. Copy this video prompt and come here and paste that here. So after pasting this, now let's convert this to a video. So it will convert now this image to a video. So it will make a video from this. Let's wait until it complete the video for us. So our video generation has completed. Now let's play it. Play it. So to generate the second part of this, as we had 10 scenes, so for the second scene, just come here and come to the last scene. After coming to the last part of this video, right click on this save frame as image. Select this, so it will now save it as image, the last frame. So the frame has been saved. Now let's view the image. Look at this is our image. Now we can save this. Right click save image as. In the download, last frame. Come here back. Now this is the last scene as viewed. Dismiss this. Now let's generate the second part of this. So to generate the second part, for that simply come here to the start and so here we will copy the scene number 2 video prompt. Copy this and come here back to the flow, and here we will start. In the start we will upload back that image, but we saved the last frame, and here we will paste that prompt. After uploading that image, we will generate the second video also. Like this, you can generate all the videos, combine them one by one. If you want to download this, simply right click and download this video, save 20 pixel. So you can join all the videos and make a complete video, 1 minute short from these videos. So you can also change the ratio to mobile or short videos also. So it will generate our second video, second part of our video. So the second part of our video has been generated. Let's play it. Look at. So it will cut now the watermelon. Look at the sound. So same like this, we can generate all parts of this video, and at the end we can join it. Simply here you can press this download button that you can download this video and join at the end. So it was all about how to create these fruits or vegetables home videos. So I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.